इस खास शाम में दो ऐसे व्यक्तियों को सम्मानित किया जाएगा जिन्होंने अपना नाम और अपनी हस्ती सितारों से ज़्यादा प्रकाशित किए है। न केवल अपने ज़िंदगी में नई रोशनी लाई, लेकिन दूसरों के ज़िंदगी में भी लाई और एक प्रभाविक मार्गदर्शन किया। I should like to start by saying how pleased and honored I am to be here this evening to compare such a special evening and an occasion that celebrates the accomplishments of these two very inspiring trailblazers for the year 2013. Nina Foundation is very proud of these role models and honors them as it recognizes people with spinal injuries, appreciates and salutes these heroes who have worked extremely hard to reach their destinations and converted their dreams into reality. Besides, raising the bar of achievement higher not only for themselves but also for all of us. India is blessed with bounties of nature, its diversity and people of different belief systems. However, our awardees are chosen without bias, irrespective of geographic, religious, linguistic, or ethnic differences. Diversity and inclusion concerns each of us as we go into the sunset of our lives, as anyone can be affected by significant impairment or disability through stress or sickness. Nina Foundation promotes and works towards an inclusive society. It is strongly committed to its mission of rehabilitation of people with spinal cord injury, and it has instituted the Rockstar Award to recognize that individual who has, with exemplary courage, faced and won the battles in life in spite of having spinal cord injury. By presenting the Rockstar Award, Nina Foundation renews the spirit of life. It is proud that this achiever has not only encouraged others to reach the top in whatever vocations they choose. ये रॉकस्टार पुरस्कार इस शख्स को दिया जाता है जिसने जीवन की समस्याओं को बाजू रख के मुकाम पहुंचा है, ऐसा मुकाम जो काबिले तारीफ है. जो व्यक्ती आयुष्यात आपले दुःख किंवा कष्ट विसरून एक धाडसीने आपला एक उंचातला उंच मुकामावर पोचतो, त्यालाच हे पुरस्कार दिले जाते. इस साल कौन है ये शख्स जो हमें इतनी स्फूर्ति देता है? This year, who is this individual who infinitely inspires us? Who can we look up to? Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to salute this individual. Our fifth Rockstar awardee for the year 2013 is Mr. Kiran Jani of Ambaji, Gujarat. Mr. Kiran Jani of Ambaji, Gujarat એ અમારા આત્મબળનો જીવિત પુષ્પ છે. Being the only son amongst three daughters who are now all married, Kiran Jani was naturally treated as a very special child. Born on December 3rd, 1963 in Matoda village near Ahmedabad, he was very mischievous and his share of naughtiness was always putting someone else in trouble. He did a technical course in audio and TV repairing after passing his HSC in 1982 and thereafter an apprenticeship in Mumbai. He returned to Ambaji and changed his line of work and along with his father started a business of selling marble temples. As a normal youngster, he lived his life king size and maybe more. His hobbies include trekking, scooter riding and all outdoor life. He loves dancing and music, especially old songs of Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar and Mukesh. You'll get some in a while. Standing tall at a bounteous height of 6 feet 2 inches, which we now see, he felt tall too. He had an advantage that he could see people before others could see him. Okay? And He enjoyed all the outdoor games, and what he preened on perhaps was his height, that people looked up at him because of his height. Tragedy struck on 25th July 1988 when he climbed atop to repair a leakage in the roof of his shop. This caved in and he thudded to the floor right on his back. Immense pain and lack of feeling, waist below, followed soon after, which his family then immediately took him to the nearest hospital at Ambaji. Due to lack of facilities, he was rushed to Ahmedabad Civil Hospital, where a CT scan confirmed his worst fears, that of spinal cord injury at L1, L2 level. Operation for the spinal injury a week later brought him to Bhatia Hospital at Taddev, Mumbai, where Dr. K.V. Chaubal performed surgery and also worked on him emotionally and mentally by offering him immense hope that he would be able to move his legs with sustained physiotherapy. This training involved basic daily movement, which we all take for granted, how to sit, how to move the body, but with help of calipers and walkers. He was disappointed that after 4 months of this training, he was still dependent on others. Spending 2 years of brooding, self-pity and helplessness, realization eventually dawned that he must channel his energies into leading a useful and a productive life, and so worked harder to become independent. This ambition and innate burning desire, laced with hope and determination, brought him back to Mumbai. And after 3 months of physio training under the guidance of Dr. Ali Irani and Dr. Sangeeta Nair, physiotherapist at Nanavati Hospital. Is Dr. Nair here? She hasn't yet come, though she's left to come here. He felt confident that with her patience and training, he would definitely make it and see the light at the end of his dark tunnel. Tireless Dr. Sangeeta Nair played a very important role in giving him moral support to maximize the potential of his capabilities through daily rigorous training of 5 hours. Meena, his caring wife and homemaker, was there through thick and thin, as always, beside him. Truly, she is another documented and exemplary proof of the dictum, behind every successful man, there is a woman. For only a year into their marriage and with an infant of 3 months, she continued to be there through all his needs. He feels that had it not been for his wife cum best friend Meena and his mother, he would not have reached his destination successfully. Last year, Meena and Kiran celebrated their 25th wedding anniversary, and their daughter Mayuri made the family complete. He is also proud of his daughter Mayuri, that she's done her MBA and now is happily married to Yash Joshi. His support system includes his family and friends who increased his confidence to handle every routine activity independently. Today, he has his own hand-operated four-wheeler that makes him mobile and allows him to travel to various places. On the socio-religious side, along with his parents, he continues a family tradition of supporting the management of the Seth Nanalal Macharam Dharmashala in Ambaji, a Tirtha Sthal and a tourist center that attracts devotees from all over the world. Now, these devotees also have physically challenged people. He strongly felt that arrangements must allow SCIs to get a proper darshan in the sanctorum of the mandir. He discussed this matter with the managing trustees and the needful was done. Today, Ambaji is a wheelchair-friendly and accessible Tirtha Sthal and tourist center, as they have installed ramps over there. Kiran Bhai, may Amba Mata's divine grace and blessings be with you always and your family. Inspired and guided by Padma Shri Kanubai Taylor, whom we've just met, who runs the Disabled Welfare Trust Surat, he is also an active person in the causes of SCIs and the community. He has also attended seminars in Surat and Ahmedabad organized by the government of Gujarat, And he's also, his guideline has been impressionable by the well-known Major Ahluwalia, who leads the ISC Center in New Delhi, as he stresses the need for education, empowerment and vigilance of the government role in the lives of the SCIs and uplifting their needs. The visually challenged people also. Yoga sadhana, he says, helped him a lot, and it's also strengthened his mind and boosted his morale. However, he adds that in spite of having met challenges in his life, be it physical or mental, and has a secure future and an active social life, deep down he feels that the life of the SCI is not as normal as one would like it to be, and much needs to be done. Kiran bhai, we at Nina Foundation assure you that we'll see it right to the end, okay? Henceforth, may all your tomorrows be beautiful. અમે પ્રાર્થના કરીએ છીએ.
Namaste, everybody. Long story spoken by Vidya, and I have only 2-page note with big letters out here, with no capitals. Kiran Bhai Jani, you are our hero. You are our rock star. Anybody can do a jig here of a rock star? Who has seen the movie Rockstar? Everybody must have seen the movie Rockstar. Yeah, she is there. Only one person seen Rockstar. Everybody's seen it.
Our rock star is Kiran bhai this evening.
But why I'm saying it's the jig, because a lot of people might know how to dance. Should we give a standing ovation to him first? Please be seated. Kiran Bhai Jani, your success and achievements, both in your professional and personal life, serve us as a role model beacon for the spinal injured community and society at large. A devastating spinal injury at a young age was no hindrance to pursue your business aspirations and nurture your family. A responsible husband, a doting father to a lovely daughter who's here. Please stand up. She's his daughter. And a responsible son. Where is he?
Son-in-law.
Your son-in-law. Sorry, son-in-law. You have also shown compassion for the disabled community. Despite frequent health-related medical issues, you have continued your life's journey with gusto. We salute you. We salute your positive attitude, determination, and willpower. Nina Foundation is proud to present its Rockstar Award on this day, the 25th of June 2013, the Spinal Injury Awareness Day in Mumbai.